Good morning, Canary. It's time to wake up and go to the park. Come on, let's go. The Adventures of Canary Island, How Do You Get a Baby? By Dion Antoinette Josiah. To the Children of Amberley Charity. The Adventures of Canary Island, How Do You Get a Baby? By Dion Antoinette Josiah. Hi friend, it's very nice to meet you. Welcome to my world of adventures. This book was written and drawn all by me with the help of my friend Dion, whose name is on the front of the book. She's awesome, but don't tell her I told you that. Let me introduce myself. My name is Canary Cleo Ryland. I am 6 years old and I live at 193 Netton Drive, Nella Hill, Hayso. I live with my mum and dad, my cat Buttons, and my 2 rainbow fish, Jessica and Katie. I think eggs are yucky, but mummy says they're good for you. I don't like people who are mean. I am really scared of snakes. I love to play with my friends and go to my favourite land, Destonia. I love to ask lots of questions, and the question I want to know the answer to is, how do you get a baby? Who, where, what, why? I have no idea how you get one or where they come from, but I think I can find out with the help of my friends. I hope you can help me too. Come on, let's go. Chapter 1. Welcome to Hayso Park. My mummy has a baby in her tummy and I want to know how it got there. There is my friend Morgan. She knows about babies, and I'm sure she can tell us how to get one. Hi Morgan, how do you get a baby? Hi Canary, my mummy swallowed a football and that's how she got a baby. That's silly, you can't swallow a football, it won't fit in your mouth. Come on, let's go ask Harley. Hello Harley, how do you get a baby? Hey Canary, my mummy ate a massive cake with pink and blue frosting and that's how she got a baby. Whoa! If you eat too much cake, you will get really sick. Let's ask Sophie May. I'm sure she will know. Hi Sophie May. Hi Sophie May, how do you get a baby? Hi Canary, my mummy went to a baby shower in the park and that's how she got a baby. They shower babies in the park now? A shower in the park? I don't think that's right. Maybe we could speak to Abdi. He knows everything. Hi Abdi, how do you get a baby? Hi Canary, my mummy went to see a whale deep in the ocean and that's how she got a baby. Oh, that's really dangerous. Maybe that isn't the real way. Come, we will ask Willow. Hey Willow, how do you get a baby? Hi Canary, my mummy planted baby rose flower seeds and that's how she got a baby. Chapter 2. Good night Canary, see you in the morning.